va a ser la última. Esta va a ser...
You told them why you couldn't sleep, why every sound felt louder. You said I think I'm losing me. They said you feel better. You tried again in softer words, so no one felt uneasy. And by the time you said it all, you ended up saying sorry. You don't have to say it better, you don't have to make it small. You were clear the first time, they just couldn't hear you at all. You don't need them to believe, just because they couldn't see doesn't mean it wasn't real. Breathe. You have said enough tonight. You were never asking much, you just wanted to be heard. Breathe. You don't need them to believe. Before they asked, so no one saw you shake, and you gave them half the honest truth, the part they wouldn't walk away from. They loved you when you made it light, when you were easy to be near, but quiet never meant okay. It meant you gave up being heard. No more proving that it hurt, no more searching for the right words. You know exactly what you lived, even if they never understood. To believe, just because they couldn't see doesn't mean it wasn't real. You have said enough tonight. You were never asking much, you just wanted to be heard. Breathe. You don't need them to believe. Still hurts to know, but you don't have to lose your stride to make them feel it.